Psalms 3, Mizmor Gamal. A psalm of Dawid when he fled from his son Absalom. YAHWAH, how my foes have increased. Many are risen against me. Many are saying about my soul, there is no deliverance for him from Yah. Salah. But you, YAHWAH, are a shield around me, my glory and the one who lifts up my head. With my voice I call to YAHWAH, and he answers me from his holy hill. Salah. I lay down and slept. I woke up again, because YAHWAH sustains me. I am not afraid of the 10,000 of people who all around have set themselves against me. O YAHWAH, deliver me. O my power, for you strike all my enemies on the jaw. The teeth of the wicked you break. To YAHWAH belongs deliverance. May your blessings be over your people. Salah. Psalms 3, Mizmor Gamal.